Train Law or the Republic Act 1096-3. Have you ever wondered why your salary seems to be bigger now, or why fuel and sugary drink cost more? That's because of the Train Law Republic Act 1096-3. T for tax, R for reform, and A for acceleration, and IN for inclusion. In 2018, to make the tax system simpler, fairer, and more efficient while funding the government's Build program. Under the Train Law, individuals earning below $250,000 annually are now exempted from paying income tax. So this means more money in the pockets of minimum age earners and low-income workers.
But to balance things out, Train also increased taxes on petroleum products, sweetened beverages, and tobacco. Why raise these taxes? The goal is to fund infrastructure projects, improve education, healthcare, and reduce poverty. Some praise Train for making taxes more progressive, but others worry it raises prices of basic goods, especially for the poor. In short, Train Law gives tax relief to many workers, but also shifts the burden toward consumption-based taxes. Let's recap Train Law. First, we have the exempts low-income earners from income tax. Second, we have the raises taxes on fuel, sugar, and tobacco. Third, we have the fund's national development. Lastly, we aim to create a fairer tax system.
But Train is just the first step. It's part of a larger reform agenda to help the economy grow, attract investments, and create jobs. Let's look at what came next. Who benefits the most from the Train Law? They are the minimum wage earners, small business workers, and public servants. They can now enjoy tax-free income and higher take-home pay. At the same time, everyone benefits from the improved public services, better infrastructures, and stronger government programs funded through the taxes we pay. Whether you're a student, a taxpayer, or a future professional, knowing how tax reforms like the Train work helps you become a more informed and responsible citizen. Taxes don't just take from us, they help build a better Philippines. Train Law reminds us that tax reforms affect every Filipino. So what can you do? Learn more, share what you know, and ask questions. And when it's your time, vote for leaders who understand the value of fair and effective policies.
Understanding taxes is part of being a responsible citizen. With Train, we're all part of the journey toward a better Philippines.